Oh, dang. Mom missed it. Oh. You're cracking me up. Ready? Can you touch it? Get that tongue out of the way. That was a good one. Oh, that's how it
Trying to
works.
see around your hand to look at me.
I know, because you're eating cereal. Here. Come on. There. You almost finished all of it, babe. Good job. Good job, Pumpkin. Oh,
Wow.
wow. You like sweet potatoes. That's good. Oh, yum. Oh, yeah, we're going to make as much of a mess as we can.
Wait till you can try Lucky Charms.
Oh, goodness sakes. We'll just get everything. Just a little bit more. That's all we got left. Just a little bit. Oh. Gotta be fast. Huh. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Maybe I can get just one more bite. You're digging this food, aren't you? Here.